Hello everyone, I hope you're enjoying your summer reading so far. Today we are going to be making bird feeders using supplies from the bird feeder kit. You should have 2 strands of twine, 2 cardboard hearts, 2 bags of bird feed, and 2 containers of Jif to go. So what we're going to do first is take the bird feed and empty it out onto a flat containable surface like a plate, which I'm using, or even a cookie tray, and kind of flatten it out so that it's all evenly spread but you don't have any gaps. So then we're going to take the twine. You want to stick it through the hole and tie the ends together. I'm using a double knot because I know that will hold better. So then we open up our Jif, take our knife, which is also included. You should have a spoon and a knife. Take your peanut butter and start spreading it on one side. Try to get it nice and even and as close to the edges as you can manage. So now that you have one side covered with peanut butter, put it face down into your bird feed and kind of press it down so that it can stick. When you pull it up, you see most of it's covered. Give it a tap so you can shake off any excess. And then if you see any little holes where it didn't quite fill in, you can hold it over the plate and fill in the holes. Then you're going to want to lay it on a piece of paper towel or something you can clean up later, just to let it dry for a little while. It's not going to dry all the way, but if we let it set, the bird seed won't fall off as easy when we do the other side. So you let it set 10-15 minutes and then repeat the whole process on the other side. When you're done, it will look something like this. And you hang it on a tree outside, a branch, and birds can enjoy it. I recommend hanging it in front of a window so you can keep an eye out for visitors. I hope you enjoy the rest of your summer. Thank you for joining us, and thank you to the Ransom family